Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and I will do a quick summary of these sketches from this afternoon and how I got on. So again, good speed, and this time it was observational and geometrical methods that I used for these sketches. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please leave a message and I'll get back to you. So combining these methods is allowing me over the past 3 weeks to speed up my sketches with more accuracy, less lines, so it's less cluttered looking and the lines are much more purposeful. So excuse me, so with that being said, this was 3 minutes 20 seconds, this was 3 minutes, and this was 2.5 minutes. And I do, as I said in the previous couple of videos, I do want to really reduce the timing again to around about 1.5 to 2 minutes, but considering I was about 4 minutes to 4 minutes 20 seconds sometimes 3 weeks ago, even last week there was some times where I was doing 4 minutes, to compare to this week where it's just over 3 minutes, or sometimes 1.5 minutes. I have actually done one in 1.5 minutes to about 2.5 minutes. So considering that was only 3 weeks ago that I started doing these methods, then it just shows you how quickly you can improve your level of sketching, coming from the somewhat beginner's level I was. And although I have been drawing since I was a wee girl, and I hadn't really given much serious amount of drawing in the past 6 months, really. I thought I had, but really I hadn't. So this is a more condensed learning method, and basically so that I can improve very quickly and get effective drawing out of the time that I have got, if that made any sense at all. If it doesn't, let me know and I'll get back to you. So yeah, if you let me know what you would change, what you thought is interesting, what you thought is pretty good, and I'll get back to you. And thank you so much to the subscribers and also to any viewer at all. I truly do appreciate you, and I shall see you next time. Okay, see you later guys. Bye bye.